Thank you for choosing Blade for your restoration business. In this video, we'll provide a short overview of the project page. Let's get started. The project page is Blade's central command center for managing clients, jobs, invoices, and everything in between. If you have access to multiple companies in your Blade account, begin by selecting the desired company using the Company Selector drop-down at the top left. All project data shown below will be filtered to this selection. Use the search bar to instantly look up a project in any company by client name, address, phone, city, claim number, or invoice number. Just type and go. Search results populate in real time. Searching is the fastest way to locate a single job across thousands of records. Use the filter tool to further refine the project list. Filter elements include existing job status categories, existing job names, and your own name if you have been assigned to one or more projects. Filtering by job status lets you isolate jobs by life cycle stage. Filtering by job name lets you focus on specific traits. The project grid can be expanded or hidden. Each row in the project grid represents one job. The key columns are key project parameters, such as project name, job status, etc. Most often, the project name is the name of the client or clients. Click any column header to sort by that field, allowing you to further narrow in on target projects. In addition to listing key project parameters, the project grid also gives you actionable information. For example, sort by balances owed by the carrier or client to identify and prioritize your highest dollar projects. Or sort by the number of days a project has been in process to identify stalled work at the job site. Click anywhere on a job row to open the project and drill down on all job-level actions and data. Inside the expanded view, you will see client, job, and invoice data. These basic project components are important. In Blade, you can have one or more clients for each company, one or more jobs for each client, one or more invoices for each job. At the top of the client component, you'll see 4 buttons. These functions are related to the client. At the top of the job component, you'll see 4 buttons with functions and data related to this specific job. At the top of the invoice component, you'll see basic invoice information and a lien tracking control that instantly tells you how many days remain before lien rights expire. To view or edit client information, simply drop open the client component. Drop open the job component to view and edit job details. Drop open the invoice to view and edit the invoice. Use the blue color pop-up selector tool to quickly navigate to the desired job data. Expand one or more components and vertically scroll for immediate access to all types of job data. Detailed overviews of client, job, and invoice components are available in other Support Center training modules. One other really cool feature, Blade utilizes WebSocket technology to keep your team in sync. When you make any change to client, job, or invoice data, other Blade users see that change on their own screen in real time. Finally, at the top of the project page, you'll see a few important launch elements. Click the green color project button to add a new project to Blade. Access important project tools using the Tools button. Open the Integrated Blade email tool using this button. Okay, that's a quick overview of the Blade project page. The projects page is where your entire job pipeline comes together. Open invoices, job status, payment history, lien tracking, QuickBooks Sync, Xactimate exports, and much more. Whether you're working 5 jobs or 500, this dashboard is built for speed, control, and clarity. Dig into more detail and explore other training modules in the Support Center to get the most from Blade, the software that helps you maximize profit and quickly turn your hard work into cash.